Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making me some buttery white shelly long grain rice in my kitchen. You don't have to use your rice cooker anymore to make rice. So if you want to learn this important step-by-step white rice recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go make us some long grain white rice in my kitchen. Let's go. These are the exact ingredients that I will be using to make my long grain shelly rice. Don't need any more ingredients than just what I have here. Over here I have my long grain rice, and I'm using 3 cups of long grain rice. As you can see here, the exact measurement. Using 2 cups here, and I'm using 1 cup right here. Right? We are going to give it some added taste, so we are going to use some salt. And I love my buttery rice, so I'm going to use me piece of salted butter. Right? Over here, I'm going to wash my rice. Want to make sure your rice is clean, and we are going to remove all the excess starch from our rice. Alright guys, so my rice is all washed and clean, and we are going to move on to the next process, where we are going to show you guys some detailed steps of how to cook your perfect shelly rice. So let's go. In our pot that we are going to use to cook our rice, we are going to add 4 cups of water to our rice, and here it is, the exact measurement. We have 2 cups of water here. So each cups of rice that you are going to cook, you want to add 1.5 cups of water. We have another 2 cups of water here, so that is 4 cups of water, and we are going to add half more cups of water. We are going with our next 1/2 cups of water. Alright, the exact measurement, guys. Now we want to go ahead and add in our rice. We are going to give this a stir. Alright, make sure that is leveled. We are going to go in with 2 tablespoons of our salted butter. And also we are going to go in with our salt, where we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. That is everything that you need to cook your shelly rice. Now we are going to give this a stir, because we want to make sure everything is on the exact level that we want our rice. And before everything, you close it down to let it simmer. You give it a taste. And my rice is perfect. I don't need to add any more salt to it, nothing else whatsoever. Alright, before we cover it, guys, our butter is melting. Just give it a next stir. We don't want our butter to just melt on the one side. Alrighty guys, so we are going to cover this and let our rice cook for 15 minutes on medium heat, and when it's near to be finished cooking, we are going to turn down our stove on low heat so our rice can be steamed. Alright, there you have it. See you back in 15 minutes. All right, we are back. Let's open our pot. Okay, so majority of our water is boiling out. So what we are going to do now, we are going to go ahead and turn down our stove. We're going to turn down the flame under the pot. So we're putting it on low right now so it could be steamed. Let me show you guys. Let your fork stand up like that, and if your fork looks like that, you are all set. That's the trick of it. You don't need a lot of water in your rice. Okay, so our rice is on a good processing of becoming shelly and dried out properly. All right, so I'm gonna go back ahead, cover this up, and see you in the next remaining of minutes when your rice is all finished. All right, see you guys soon. All right, our rice is all finished. Take a look at my shelly long green white rice. Look at that, guys. Cannot get enough of this. Nothing is sticking to the pot. Look at the side of my pot. Everything is, look, nothing never stick to the pot. Now you do not need rice cooker anymore. Follow these steps and you won't go wrong. Look at my shelly long green rice.
There you have it, guys. My shelly white long grain rice in my kitchen. If you enjoy this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this quick, simple, and easy shelly long grain white rice recipe. Guys, you could have this white rice with any meat kind of your choice. I ate it with some curry chicken and this was a hit. Curry chicken and white rice to perfection. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please stay tuned, more recipes coming up, and please guys, please stay safe, drink your water, stay hydrated. See you guys soon. Bye guys.